In just 1 minute, let's learn important functions of Excel. Suppose we want to find sum of certain numbers, like we have a data here and we want to find a sum. We will put is equal to sum, open the brackets, select the range, bracket close, enter. So we got the sum. We can also do it manually by clicking one cell at a time. This cell plus this cell plus this cell plus this cell. Enter. So in the first step, we have used the function, and in the second step, we have used the mathematical operator. Similarly, we can also find average. So this is the formula, tab, select the range, bracket close, enter. And in the similar way, we can also find is equal to minimum number or maximum number, etc. Simple. You can download this sheet from the link given in the description box. Do check out the next video to learn the next function. Thank you.